Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another ultimate review by PureCast9. In today's episode, I'm going to give you my review of the Brixx My Speaker Fashion 002. I know that's a mouthful. So this company called Brixx reached out to me and they asked me whether I would like to review this speaker. Like, okay, send it over. So here it is. This is an unbiased review, not a paid sponsorship. I'm not being paid any money. So I'm going to tell you all that I like about this speaker and the things that I don't. Now in terms of specs, which is the part which I like, is that it's a 3-watt speaker, 3-watt RMS, rocks Bluetooth version 5. It's got an inbuilt microphone, so you can answer and end calls. And that's about it. So apart from that, one of the gripes I have with this speaker is that you can only play and pause a soundtrack. You can't skip forward or skip back or change the volume. So that all has to be done with the device from which you're playing. So very minimalistic and very basic to say the least. But having said that, have a listen to the sound and let's see how it performs. You guys form your judgment and I'm going to come back and give you my verdict on how it performed and whether you should get this or not. Also, I know it's a different setting for my returning visitors. I didn't get a chance to go to my studio today, so it's a different setting. Bear with me and I'll see you after the sound test. So there you have it guys, that was the sound test of the Brixx My Speaker Fashion 002. So let me just tell you that for a 3-watt speaker, it was quite loud. But if I had to talk about the quality, that is where this thing falls apart. So if I talk about the 3 frequencies that make up sound, the highs, the mids and the lows, this speaker only produces the highs and the mids. There is no passive bass radiator, thus there is no low end or bass. The little bit of thump or whatever that you heard is because of the little bit that the mids produced. So it's not really any thump or low end. So highs and mids. And talking about the quality is not good at all. There is distortion even at 50% volume, and at max volume, it is really bad. The drivers cannot handle the frequencies and good tracks just sound bad regardless of how good the quality or the bit rate of the track is. So not really an ideal speaker. But if you wanted something in your backpack that you could treat like anything and it's super light and easy to carry, it's got a strap, then you could give this a try. So the links to this is in the description below. If you still decide to buy this, you can use that link. It will help me run this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like on the way out and subscribe to PureCast9. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.